Hi guys, it's Jackie. I'm back here to show you how to enroll a Sisel partner, a Sisel distributor. Alright, so I've gone to Sisel.net. You can also go to your own URL website, which might be something like janesmith.sisel.net. Go ahead and click on Join Us. And we are going to enroll a new distributor. Website's a little slow tonight, so slow down, take a deep breath while it loads. Come on, it's a little shy. There we go. Okay, so if you start at Sisel.net, you're going to have to put in your username or your ID. So I'm going to put in personal health, which is mine, and click Next. Now, you're going to have to make sure and choose the country, and distributor is the default, okay? You're also going to have to click on Policies and Procedures, and then click Next. All right, so we're going to enter the person's name here. Birth date. You're going to have to ask them for their birth date. All right, username. Password. Make sure you write down the password and the username, because you're going to have to tell your new distributor what your username and password is. All right. And then I usually ask someone this question: what city were they born? I always ask people the same question because I know it's so much easier. Let's say Los Angeles. And then we're going to go ahead and add the address. California 2629, and phone number, and email. Okay. I can't just copy and paste that. All right. Next. Password must have at least 8 characters. Okay. Next. There we go. All right. Initial order product listing. Enter a quantity for each item you wish added to the new enrollee shopping cart. You can edit your selection of quantity later. You may expand the available section of the items by clicking on Show Additional Products. Click on the Next button to continue with the auto-ship process. Now, if you're like me, you guys are guilty. You don't read this stuff. This is actually the first time I've ever read this. Very informative. Okay. You want to sign someone up as a distributor only if they come in properly, and that is with a Wealth Builder Pack. There's a Wellness Wealth Builder Pack. That's $315, and it has everything that shows here, including the Triangle of Life. This is a really, really good pack, and it's got Detox, TSX, it's got Forest Store, it's got Fire and Iced Tea, coffee, and maybe one other. So this is the Wellness Pack. If you want that, you just put a 1 in the box. Okay. Or maybe you want the Wealth Builder Age Pack. I highly recommend this one, because it brings the price down, individual price of the age pill, down to $47.85 per bottle. That's quite a savings. This is also nice because people can get their return on investment. They're going to be talking about what they're doing in the age pill, and people are going to want to buy it. So they can actually resell some of these bottles from their Wealth Builder Pack when it arrives, and can quickly get their return on investment. All right. Let's see here. The other Wealth Builder Packs are right here. So there's 3 right now. Wealth Builder Pack, 300, there's no image right now. Okay. And this one is mostly weight loss items. There used to be a down area. Here it is. Okay. So it tells you what's in it. The RIP, the Fire and Iced Tea, the Forward Store, the Age Build, the TSX, etc. All right. So you can actually choose, and let's see what's in this wealth pack up here. Click the down button, tells you what's in it. Triangle Live, Copy, Super Mega, etc., etc. Wealth Builder Pack. All right, you get the gist of it. Okay, so those are the only 3 Wealth Builder Packs. You've got the Wellness Wealth Builder Pack, you've got the Wealth Builder Age Pack 7, and down here you got the Wealth Builder Pack. These used to be together. I don't know why they're not showing up all together. There's a 4th pack on the way as well, okay? These other packs are not Wealth Builder Packs. So just someone's coming in with a first order. You do not want to promote these. These are not part of the Wealth Builder system. Okay, so just those 3. If you notice here, view additional products. So initially it looks like you just have these options. You don't. You have all these other products as well. Usually bring someone in with one of their packs. Usually it's the Wealth Builder Age Pack, and then I ask them if they'd like anything to go along with that, and they may or may not do that, but they can just add it to their cart here. All right, so you've got, oops, I didn't click the box. So I've got this 7-pack, and then down below I click Next. All right, auto ship setup. Ask someone if they know what they would like their auto ship to be. If they don't, then get back to them in a couple of days after they've had a chance to look at the products. Always ask permission to set up someone's auto purchase. You don't want to have them receive something and say, hey, I never agreed to that. Do know that to be an active distributor in Sisel and to be qualified to receive bonuses and commissions, they must have at least a 50 PV order each month to stay qualified. All right, so that might be volume 15. HFIL has 50 in volume. So any product with 50 or more is good. Okay, you can look along here. All right, so I'm not going to set it up right now. I'm going to come back and do that, but I'm going to click Next. And Next again. Here's where I confirm the address. I confirm the price, shipping and handling, tax, and give them the total, $359.90. And then I'll let them know I'm ready for their credit card information. New credit card, and then you just put it in here. Okay, that's not a real one, obviously. And then after this, you go to the next page. You're going to click Save. And it's going to ask for the 3-digit CVV code on the back. Then it's going to confirm the order. And that's it. You're all done. So I also take a screenshot of the confirmation and I send that to my new distributor. And I send them a welcome, the receipt, and let them know what their new URL website is. So in this case, it would be rexchristiansen.sisel.net, or whatever their name is, whatever you set up for the username, .sisel.net. And then I send them how to log in by email along with the receipt and their username and password. So they can log in and they can enter their username and their password and actually log into the back office. That's it for now. Thanks for joining me.